How to add your own photos to your templates Canva tutorial. Welcome to this quick tutorial on adding your own photos to templates, be it a planner, ebook, or any other template from my store. Here are the steps. Start by locating a placeholder on your template. It's an editable area meant for your photos, which looks like this. You can see that green, blue, and some clouds on it. Next, go to Upload in the Canva sidebar and select the photo you wish to add. Let's do that. Click on Open after clicking on the photo. It's right here now. Once uploaded, drag and drop the photo onto the placeholder. It will automatically fit in the space, as you can see. However, to adjust the photo, double-click on it and resize or reposition it to your liking. You can drag it from the corner, any corner. And whether you wanted to center something, you wanted to make it larger or smaller, any area in the photo, you can do it. Let's say I want to show more of the lipsticks and these eye pencils here. Then I will click on Done. And that's it. You have successfully added your own photo to a Canva template.